Alrighty guys, I just figured I'd break out my new camera. I'm here in some random parking lot. Want to show you guys what's been going on. I got me an excess power battery for up front, along with some toolmaker terminals. Those things are real nice. Just got those in a little bit ago actually. The battery underneath the hood is a D3400. I think it's just like the standard GM replacement. And here in the back, I got me a second excess power battery, except this one is a 925. There's been a couple other things that's been going on. You know, I've got a design for a box, but I've been too lazy to build it. I've been wanting to order some new subs, but my wallet says no, so I'm gonna have to do with what I got for now, which is okay, I guess. Those excess powers are real nice. I've been setting it a steady 14 for, gosh, I don't know how long. When it gets to hitting real hard, it of course goes down a little bit. But it finally got my damn check engine light to go off. Let's see, what all else has been happening? Oh, I'm a member of Team Showtime, Car Audio. I'll put a link to their site down there. There's a bunch of real good guys. I've got some cadence gear ordered to replace all the little speakers and stuff inside the car, like the one in the dash and the one in the door. And there's another one back there, a 6x9. I don't know. I want to keep it as stock as possible, you know, not put a bunch of, except of course for my subset, but fuck it, I'll just edit that shit out. Anyways, I guess it wouldn't be a complete video without showing you, you know, what it could do a little bit. This little camera will pick up all that flex. I just got it like today, and this is actually the very first time I've used it, so we'll see how it turns out. Till next time, people, later on.